E92 to the gym today. It was leg day today. We did maintenance on it Sunday and put lowering springs on it. It looks great. Dropping a vlog with that stuff in it in more detail. Then phase 2 is gonna start. I got a bunch of more stuff I gotta order for it to get it ready for the season. It's raining, I can't really do much filming out here, but it looks great, dropped. Now I gotta work on the wheels and a couple more things. Obviously, I'm gonna keep updating as we go with the build on that. Yeah, that's it. Here's my leg day. It was tough. This is my full leg day, so front, back, everything. And it's one of the harder days of my week training wise. Peace. Alright, we just got done with our warm-up glute kickbacks and side leg raises on the cable machine. Starting off front squats in the Smith machine. Smith machine front squats. Here we go.